How to clear cash in Venmo. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on general and then tap on the iPhone storage option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to scroll through and navigate to Venmo and tap on it. Now, go ahead and tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application and fix the bugs in the app. This will also free up storage used by the app and will keep its data and documents safe. So, this is how you can clear cache in Venmo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.